Mein erster Computer, the Computer und Bildschirm. Today we will learn some German words about the computer and screen. In German, a computer is called der Computer. You have to use masculine, the computer. Example sentence, mein Computer ist abgestürzt. My computer crashed. Screen is called der Bildschirm. Again, masculine. Example sentence, der Bildschirm is sehr groß. The screen is very big and wide. A computer mouse is die Maus. Ich benutze die Maus, zu klicken. I use the mouse to click.
A keyboard is die Tastatur. Die Tastatur hat viele Tasten. Der Keyboard has many keys. A laptop is the laptop. Masculine.
Laptop is also masculine, easy to remember. Ich arbeite an meinem Laptop. I work on my laptop. Tablet is das Tablet, neutral. Das Tablet. Das Tablet ist leicht und tragbar. The tablet is light and portable. Printer is der Drucker. Example sentence. Der Drucker druckt ein Dokument. The printer prints a document. Let's review the vocabularies we learned. Der Computer, der Bildschirm, die Maus, die Tastatur, der Laptop, das Tablet, der Drucker. Great job! You have learned some basic words in German. See you next time.